In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to prepare and file the Arizona Corporation Commission's form called Articles of Termination Limited Liability Company to terminate or kill an Arizona LLC. Hi, I'm Arizona LLC attorney Richard Keat. My son, Arizona LLC attorney and former CPA Richard C. Keat, and I have formed more than 5,800 Arizona limited liability companies. We form new LLCs for 397, 597, and 997. We also prepare custom LLC operating agreements and documents to add or remove LLC members. Do me a favor, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell to get notice of new videos, and leave comments and questions below. Click on the Show More text underneath this video to get more information and hot links to websites that are mentioned in this video. First thing you need to do is open your browser and go up to the URL area. That's going to take you to the Corporation Commission's form called Articles of Termination Limited Liability Company. This is the document we're going to fill out and sign and then file with the Arizona Corporation Commission to terminate or kill an Arizona LLC. If you want instructions on how to fill out this form, notice there's text here that says read the instructions L031 small I. Click on the L031 small I and it'll take you to the Corporation Commission's instructions for filling out this form. Now next, notice in item number 1 you need to put the name of the LLC, but it has to be the exact name on file with the Arizona Corporation Commission. And then in item number 2 you need to put the ACC file number. This is the file number that the Corporation Commission has on its records for this particular LLC that's going to be terminated. Now if you don't know that information, you're not exactly sure, we have another video that explains how to check this with the Arizona Corporation Commission. If you're not sure of your LLC's exact name, watch our demo video called How to Do an Arizona Business Name Search for Existing LLCs. This demonstration video is found at the link displayed on the screen. You can also go to the Show More area underneath this video and click on the text Show More, and it'll give you a hot link to our demonstration video on how to search for the business name of an existing Arizona LLC. After you've confirmed the entity name and the ACC file number, enter the entity name in item number 1, entity name. In item number 2, enter the ACC file number. Now under item number 3, note there's a statement concerning the properties and assets, and by signing, the person signing is acknowledging and affirming and certifying under penalty of perjury that all of the known properties and assets of the LLC have been applied and distributed pursuant to Chapter 4, Title 29 of the Arizona Revised Statutes. This statement in number 3, called Statement Concerning Properties and Assets, raises an important issue. And that issue is that before you terminate the LLC, you got to make sure that all of its assets are used to pay any debts that it may have, and if there are excess assets left after paying all the debts, that those assets are distributed out to the members. You do not want to have the company terminate and then find out later that it owns one or more assets that were overlooked. Now we have a solution for that. Purchase our document called LLC Property Assignment. That's a document signed by all the members of the LLC, and it provides that if any assets of the LLC are discovered after the company's terminated, that those assets will have previously been transferred by the LLC property agreement to the members pro rata according to their ownership interests in the company. So for example, let's say Homer Simpson and Ned Flanders are two owners, they own 50% each of an LLC that they terminate. Then they find out a year later that there was a bank account that they forgot to pay all the money out, and now it's a problem because the company's been terminated. It doesn't exist, so there's nobody that has signing authority. if the parties had signed an LLC property agreement, that property agreement would have provided that all assets of the company that remained in the company prior to the termination would automatically be transferred pro rata to the owners. That means the LLC property agreement would have transferred one half of the bank account to Homer Simpson and the other half of the bank account to Ned Flanders. So each of them could use that document, give a copy of the LLC property agreement to the bank in order to get the assets that are held in the bank in the name of the LLC. We sell a do-it-yourself version of the LLC property agreement in our form store called keepforms.com. So go up to the URL area of your browser and type in goo.gl/Z small u capital V capital K small k capital M and then press enter. That's going to take you to the Keep Forms web store where you can purchase the LLC property agreement for $47. It's a Word document which you can immediately download to your computer. It comes with instructions that explain how to complete the form. Okay, now it's time to finish up the form. So scroll down a little bit and look under the signature area and check the box that says I accept. Right above where it says printed name, you need to type in the name of the person who's going to be signing the document. And then to the right of that, put in the date that the document's going to be signed. Now down below you've got two columns. In the left column, if the person signing the articles of termination is a manager of the manager managed LLC, then check that box on the left column. If the person signing is a member of a member managed company, check the box in the right column. Now if the person signing is signing on behalf of a company, then enter the name of the company in the box down below. Now you're done with the form. It's time to scroll back to the top, click on the print form, and print the document. Arrange to have it signed by the person who's signing it. And now you have to file the document with a cover sheet. If you intend to file any document with the Arizona Corporation Commission, that document must be accompanied by a second document called the cover sheet. To learn how to make a cover sheet, watch our demo video at the URL shown below. There's also a hot link to the URL in the text under the Show More link underneath this video. Now that you've finished your form, you need to file it with the Arizona Corporation Commission. So get an envelope and put the following items in the envelope. First, the ACC cover sheet. Second, the form signed by a member if the LLC is member managed, or a manager if the LLC is manager managed. And third, a check for either $5 for regular filing or $40 for expedited filing. The check should be payable to the Arizona Corporation Commission. The difference is how many days it will take for the Corporation Commission to review your filed document. So if you want to find out how many days the Corporation Commission is currently taking to review regular and expedited filings, go to the URL displayed here. Mail or hand deliver your envelope with the documents and the check to the Arizona Corporation Commission, Corporations Division, 1300 West Washington Street, Phoenix, Arizona 85007. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please share it with your friends and hit the like button below, and be sure to subscribe because we make new informational videos every week. If you have any questions or would like a video on a topic, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching.